Hello everyone, this is Rohit Kumar and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Close Design and Concept. And in this video we are going to make a very simple sketch just to show you that what I use to sketch in my own time. So let's start the video. And yeah, one more thing, that if you have not subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe my channel, like this video, and also click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new one. So the most important thing in automotive sketching or concept making is on one, that you need a paper, a good quality of paper, and a good quality of pen which will not stuck while making the lines or while making the sketch. And that is what all the designers use. And if you are not able to get a pen like that, then you can also go with a simple pencil. But in this video I'm going to use my all-time favorite graphic pencil that I purchased a year back. So without wasting any time, let's start the video and see the video.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. That I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. we talk about, what we talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me.
So I hope that you guys have watched the whole video and also enjoyed it at the same time. And yeah, one more thing, that please subscribe the channel, like this video, and also share with your friend and share wherever you want. And please support me so I can upload beautiful videos again and again and again, so you will get entertained and learn the techniques that I use in my videos. So अभी तक थैंक यू. सो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए आइडिया के साथ, एक नए कंसेप्ट के साथ. गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड टेक केयर.